Hello everyone, in this video or in this class we are going to start our new lesson, which is lesson 3, queries, forms and reports. Okay, so in this chapter we will discuss about the queries, means what is a query window, using a query, forms, and last one is report. What are these all topics and how can we perform the operation using these topics. So let's start. The first one is what is a query. Query क्या होती है? So it means query allow us to ask questions to our data. It is used to extract information from database. You can use it to perform calculation, change the or delete, or to add data of a different table. Means it's like a ऑप्शन. मीन्स ये एक ऐसा ऑप्शन है जो डेटाबेस से हमें कुछ भी चीज़ लाइक many type of information from a table. We can access all these information from this table using the query. मीन्स ये एक ऐसी ऑप्शन है जिसके द्वारा हम डेटाबेस से क्वेश्चन कर सकते हैं कि विच टाइप ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशन इन कंटेंट्स इन आर डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ टेबल्स, और हम उसमें से कुछ चीज़ें डिलीट भी कर सकते हैं. वी कैन ऑल्सो perform calculation on that table using the query. We can also change or delete data using a query. We can also add two different types of tables data using a query. Okay, now let's understand how to create a query. Means what are the steps or how we create a query. So as we discussed, with a query we can display the record sort of the data and even combine it from different tables. Okay, so a query is always based on a tables or on a queries. Means ये हमेशा टेबल पे ही अप्लाई होती है. So how to create a query? The steps are as follows. Click on the create tab. You just need to click on the create tab and then click on the query design in the other tab, other group. You have to click on the query design tab from the other group and then select the table on which you want to generate the query. Means आपको सब टेबल सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा जिस पे आपको क्यूरीज अप्लाई करना पड़ेगा, करना है या जनरेट करना है. एंड देन व्हेन यू क्लिक ऑन दिस ऑप्शन, then the show table dialog box will appear. Then select the table on which you want to generate the query and last one click on the add button, and then finally you have to click on the close button. By this you can create a query. Okay, now what is a query window? Query window दिखती कैसी है, how it will appear, what are its parts. Okay, so query window is divided into two parts. It is divided into two parts. The first one is field list area and then second one is design grid. So we will discuss them. The first one is field list area. The top of the query window is called a field list area. Top of the query window is called a field list area. This top area is called a field list area. And then second one is design grid. Below the field list area, the design grid where you can field the query and also specify the criteria. यहाँ पे आपको जो इसके जस्ट नीचे दैट वन इज कॉल्ड डिज़ाइन ग्रिड एंड यहाँ पे आपको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा द क्राइटेरिया. मीन्स ऑन विच क्राइटेरिया यू वांट योर डेटा. मीन्स किस बेस पर आप अपना डेटा को शो करना चाहते हो. मीन्स इफ़ यू हैव अ टेबल लाइक कंटेंट्स इन डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइक स्टूडेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन लाइक हिज नेम, सरनेम एंड हिज एड्रेस, तो आपको सिर्फ उसका एड्रेस ही देखना है. तो आपको यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा कि किस टाइप का आपको जस्ट एड्रेस देखना है. तो आपको यहाँ पे एड्रेस स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा. तो आपको सिर्फ एड्रेस वाली विंडो ही शो होगी. मीन्स यू हैव टू इन दिस डिज़ाइन ग्रिड यू हैव टू स्पेसिफाई द क्राइटेरिया. ओके, now the next topic is using a query. So query display different records from a table that meets a certain criteria. To use a query we have to add fields, specify the criteria in the design grid and after that run the query. Follow the steps. Means to use a query we have to follow the steps. Select select the field row from the design grid. Design grid means you have to select the field row and then select the order of sorting in the sort view. Means you have to specify the order of sorting. Select the order of sorting in the sort row and then specify the criteria. Okay, for example, type Uttar Pradesh under the state field and give एंड सेव द क्यूरी. मीन्स आपको सॉर्टिंग किस बेस पे करना है उसका क्राइटेरिया आपको स्पेसिफाई करना पड़ेगा एंड देन क्लिक ऑन द डिजाइन टैब, देन इन रिजल्ट ग्रुप रन ऑप्शन टू सी द रिजल्ट। मीन्स आपको ये स्टेप्स को फॉलो करनी पड़ेगी टू सी द रिजल्ट, मतलब जिस क्राइटेरिया को आपने स्पेसिफाई किया तो उसके बेस पे आपको रिजल्ट शो हो रहे हैं या नहीं। फॉर दिस यू हैव टू फॉलो दिस लास्ट स्टेप। ओके, सो द नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज फॉर्म। So the forms, okay, form, what is form? Form is a graphical representation of table. Means if you represent a table in a graphical form, then this one is called a form. It helps us to add, delete or update records in a table. Means ये हमको हेल्प करता है किसी भी टेबल में चेंजेस करने के, लाइक एडिंग अ रिकॉर्ड, डिलीटिंग अ रिकॉर्ड और अपडेट अ रिकॉर्ड। So how to create a form? The steps are as follows. Okay. Select the table, means you have to select the table, then click on the create tab and from this click on the form menu or form from the forms group. By this you can create a form. Okay, now form display. 3 different types of views in which a form is displayed are. These are the 3 different views from which a form can be displayed. Means इन तीनों में से किसी एक में ही form display होता है. The first one is form view, the second one is layout view, and the third one is design view. Form view means you can view the form of the form, you can view the data of the form in this view, but cannot make any modification in the design. Means just for viewing you can use this view. And the second one is layout view. This view closely resembles what the form will actually look like to the user. लेआउट व्यू जो हमें वो इस तरह से शो होता है कि यूज़र को किस तरह से फॉर्म शो होगा। एंड डिज़ाइन व्यू, इट डिस्प्ले ओनली द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द फॉर्म विच कैन बी मॉडिफाइड एंड कस्टमाइज्ड एज पर द रिक्वायरमेंट्स। मीन्स इन दिस व्यू you can design, you can modify, you can make any changes to the form. Okay, only in the design view. Now the next one is reports. What is reports? Reports are printable summaries of information in your Access table and queries. Queries or tables में से आपको भी printable summaries को show करना हो, then that one is called report. Reports enable you to format your data in an attractive and informative layout for printing and viewing screen. मीन्स आप अपने डेटा को कितना अट्रैक्टिवली डिज़ाइन कर सकते हो उसको स्क्रीन पे, वो हाउ इट शोज ऑन अ स्क्रीन. दिस विल डन बाय द रिपोर्ट्स. ओके, हाउ टू क्रिएट अ रिपोर्ट. इंफॉर्मेशन इन अ रिपोर्ट कैन बी सॉर्टेड, क्यूरीड और फॉर्मेटेड और कैलकुलेटेड, or we can also summarize these information. The report can be based on the either a table or a query. Means या तो you have to use a query or a table for making a report. So creating a report, we should follow the following steps. Choose a table, means you have to choose a table, then click on the create table, and the last one is click on the report in the reports group. By this you can create a report of that particular table. And there are also different types of views in our reports. So 4 different types of views are present in MS Access in which a report is displayed. These 4 views are used to display a report in MS Access. Each view has a specific purpose in creating and modifying a new report. So the first one is report view. Report view means you can, this one, you can view data of the form in this view but cannot make any modification in the design. Means just for viewing you can use this view, not for any changes. Now the second one is print of review. It allows us to see how the report will look when it printed. Means print review हमें शो करता है कि हम जब प्रिंट करेंगे उसका हार्ड कॉपी लेंगे then how it will look. For this we use print review view. The third one is layout view. This view closely resembles what the form will actually look like to the user. Layout view same as the earlier. User को किस तरह से form दिखेगा, that one is looked in the layout view. The last one is design view. It display only the structure of the form which can be modified and customized as per the requirement. Means to change, to make any changes we use the last one is design view. Means as per our requirement we can change in our table. So for this we use design view. Okay, so by this form and report topic your lesson 3rd will is end today, and in the next class we will start our next lesson, that is lesson 4. So I hope you enjoy the video. So thank you everyone.